Gondor jacketed cooking pot. Food grade material. Stability and reliability. Low noise and stable power. Simple operation. With a handle for easy operation. Non-stick pot bottom. Facilitate the dumping of materials. The pot body can be tilted at 90 degrees. Click the start button. Pour ingredients into the kettle. Multi-purpose boiling. Stir evenly. Fast mixing speed. Wide range of application. Client gallery. What our customers say.
Hello dear Lola, thank you for helping me when I needed to buy the dryer. It's working perfectly, it looks great, and everything came as it was supposed to be.